like a style, but I know that you're the worst. Don't judge me. Lying in my bed now, it's above me. So don't get it off your chest.
Oh boys, what a night it was. I mean, we were not planning to, you know, go crazy or anything like that. We went there just to get some sun, but eventually we met with Lewis, party got started. Don't get better than this, huh? I'm in love for the 5th time today, yeah? Chug. Follow me.
You follow me.
You
follow me, bitch.
It was a fun night, have a little headache today. So we're looking to go here. And then there's the second floor over there. I want to sit down, open my laptop, check the charts, check crypto. So let me break down this Euro JPY trade that I took on Friday that made me $4,000. It was in the evening I won that trade. In the gym, at first I lost the trade. It was Euro USD and then Euro JPY later on. I won this beautiful trade for 1 to 3 risk reward. I mean, eventually it kept dropping. Could have been potentially, you know, 1 to 7, 1 to 8, but coulda, shoulda, woulda. You know, a lot of people get lost in this feeling where like, oh, I should have held, oh, you know, I should have closed early or something like this. Just be happy that you made money in the markets, and that's take that money, go to the next setup. So my analysis was pretty simple. I looked at weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have a massive sell-off here on this candle, so bearish engulfing. That tells me that okay, this upcoming week might be bearish. Frame, I noticed that on the daily time frame we have a bearish market structure. Okay, so lower lows and lower highs. We have the bearish market structure, and on the 4-hour time frame we have the same previous 4-hour candle. So right here, when I entered the trade, it looked like this. So the 4-hour candle closure also bearish. So confirmation after confirmation after confirmation. And I dropped to, which time frame was that? Okay, so this was London session. I saw that London session was gathering a lot of liquidity, and since it's Euro JPY, I'm not looking for New York's liquidity, I'm looking for either London or Asia liquidity. And here I noticed that during the London session, not the previous one, but the current that was happening, it formed a nice level of supply, which is right here. Right from this point, the price had a massive sell-off, the biggest sell-off of the London and the Asian session, right? So this candle was the biggest. This had the most liquidity. This had the most orders sitting right here. So I was like, okay, I want the price to come back to this level and take this liquidity and push the price lower, because I'm only looking for sells because of how the bearish the price was, right, on different time frames. So what happened here? London closed, came back to retest right here. So if I turn this off, you see that we have a wick rejection right here, and then the price came back to it once again, but I was already entered in the position. And literally, you know, on this close there was not enough bullish momentum coming from this supply. I entered the trade, it had a nice wick, it took the liquidity of these sellers right here. So if you were trading, let's say 3-minute time frame, there's a lot of sell orders right here because it's a resistance. As you can see with this push right here, with this wick, we took out all of these sellers and then we pushed the price lower. You know, very simple analysis. Price went straight into the profit. Beautiful trade. And that's how I trade, you know. I build different confluences on different time frames. I build bias. I find the direction I want to trade, and all I need to do is to find the zones where I need to enter the position and find the entry criteria, which is patterns or liquidity formations for me to trigger my entry from that zone. That's how I trade. We're about to go to the villa, and I'm gonna try to do something I never succeeded in. Every time I try to do it, I never succeeded in it. It's either I'm too big, I don't have the skill, or all of the above. Hopefully today's the day. I'm excited. We're gonna do foiling. If you don't know what foiling is, it's basically riding a surfboard above the water with a huge wing, and you kind of float above the water. It's really hard to kind of stay up. So we'll see how it goes. But I'm excited. We're gonna go see my friend Owen. We're gonna check out his new villa, new supercars, all of that. That's the life in Dubai, you know? That's the life in Dubai. It's like you always have something to do, guys. We've been here for what, 3-4 days already. Beach clubs, meetings, dinners, villas, activities. Tomorrow we also go surfing. That's what I love about this place, man.
Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect.
I want to talk about yesterday again. I don't know, the past 3 months that I have not been like drinking, just locked in, focusing on my health, you know, and stuff like this. I don't know, I kind of fell in love with it. Yesterday when we started drinking, I was like very hesitant. It's either the older I get or like the smarter I get, the more I hate the feeling of like, you know, feeling like complete shit, you know, the next day. So here, if you look at my Whoop, like a health tracker, you'll see that I got a 97% sleep performance, but my recovery is only 9%. The good thing about Dubai is, it's like United States, not like any other place in Europe. You start to party early, so you go to sleep early. So yesterday what, we were like partying, it's like 7 p.m. What? Like, it feels like 11 or 12. So, you know, you get full night of sleep and you feel much better the next day, even though if you were drinking and partying. But still, you know, I'm getting more selective when it comes to parties now. I see you, Owen. I see you, Owen. I see you, Owen. Let me text him. Look at all these cars. Look over there. Ferrari. G-Class. It's actually my first time seeing this car in real life. It's the Rauelto, the new Lamborghini. It's crazy, no? I see you. I see you. Bro, this lineup is no cap. One of the craziest lineups I've ever seen. It's insane. I didn't know Bugatti can fit 3 people.
Right.
It's new.
Yeah, how are you?
So, bro, ready to
Teach you. I will teach you
Teach
how
me.
to foil.
Oh, it's cold in here.
Welcome, welcome. Yeah, you can just go here. So.
I never have ever in my life walked into somebody's house and got almost naked in the first 3 minutes.
I highly doubt that.
Welcome to Diddy's party,
He's
Dubai
fucking
edition.
lean and fit. Look at this. Last time I saw him was a fat man like me.
Yeah, bro. I've been running a lot.
This is the house.
Wow, this is beautiful, no? Guys, crazy. Welcome to the crib, you know what I'm saying?
Do you want to see the gym? You do a t-shirtless tour.
Yeah. Look at this lineup, guys. To be honest, if I had to choose between cars or this gym, I would choose gym.
Or have both. Or just have both.
Yeah, it's crazy, bro. So he has fleet on one side of the house, and then on the other side of the house as well. How much does this board cost?
This one, it's like maybe 10k.
$10,000.
I got 3.
Nice. You know, I look like a bomb. Oh shit, my titties out. Stop playing with me, you know what I'm saying? Ready to roll. This shit is heavy, bro. Oh my god, this was crazy experience. Look at this view. Yeah. So, I managed to stand up, especially in the last run on the way back to the villa. I managed to stand up, but all the other time I was struggling. But I think next time I do it, it's gonna be much better. The fun part is when you're standing, not when you're trying to get up. So the last couple minutes was really good. We have a great teacher, Owen M. Rob, how was the experience, bro? Insane. It's good now. I love this stuff, bro. Oh my god. Like, I don't know what's better, foiling or the sunset, or both. It's insane. So what's the plan?
Now we shall prepare meat for barbecue.
Yeah. Rob's phone is full from all the videos. Came unprepared. I got stung by a jellyfish, look. So here is my feet. Don't sell them to anyone, but here, as you can see, the red spot. I got stung. Wow, my feet are definitely looking nice. It hurts. First time ever I got stung by a jellyfish. And also, from standing up, trying to stand up, you scratch your knees to the board. So it's red now. Tomorrow's gonna be...
It's not that bad, bro.
It's gonna be bad tomorrow. You'll see. It's gonna be like shut up. Shut up. Oh, okay. What happened to you? What happened to you? So I saw him riding and then he fell and his board went up straight into his leg. Let me see. If you could say one message to your younger self.
If I could say one message to myself.
Yeah, to your younger self.
Start earlier. Start earlier, because the sooner you start, the more you will achieve when you're my age. Commission business. Learn that earlier. not later.
Literally, like seeing these things, this is why you have to put yourself in the right position, in the right place with the right people, so you're motivated, your ceiling is way higher. Because if you're in your small town, in your small country your whole life, that's where you stay, you know. You have to put yourself in uncomfortable positions, you have to put yourself in these positions where you have to chase something, always chase something. Sometimes you get exhausted, but every time you achieve some little goal, it's like refreshing, new start, you know. And bro, like, look at this shit. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Amazing.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you.
I'm excited about this food, man.
Yes. More proteins.
Is this the same, both? Both the same meat?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm not sure. You guys seen, I've been going to the gym every single day. My legs, my back, my chest, my arms, so dead. If I run 8 kilometers, I get 14 strength. That's how tired I am. We get a cab, we go meet my partner. We have some work to do, some things to prepare. We've been working on something crazy, been working on something it's gonna change so many lives, bro. I'm so positive, I'm so sure about that. We're just gonna finish up some things we really need to meet. And that's how we're gonna wrap up the day. And I think that's how we're gonna wrap up the vlog. It has been crazy the last couple of days. We got so much more content coming soon. So if you haven't yet subscribed, if you haven't yet hit the like button so you don't miss any of the videos, bro. What else do you want?